This video will cover the configuration of our S3R Alpha module for AWS S3. Planning your DNS is very important. In our demo, we are using Cloudflare, and will create a DNS, A, record, and a CNAME that maps to AWS S3. We are making a quick update to Apache, postfix, and our hostname file so DNS matches Cloudflare. At this point, we will change the Magento store URLs. After you change your URLs, it is highly suggested you take a backup. You can instant backup both the EC2 and RDS from A51. Magento may encounter admin panel 404s. To address this error, we will configure a few items to resolve. On Cloudflare, we will create a bypass cache rule, and will reset the Magento legacy URL paths. We will also recompile Magento. Module configuration information can be found in your stacks documentation, our bot, and on the main site. We are configuring S3R Alpha with aMiSTACX and a custom S3 media path. For new deployments, you can enable static. For migrations, you will want to test S3 first without static. We will enable image compression with WebP, and keep logging disabled. The advanced sync product images automatically option will be enabled. It is highly suggested you run Magento image resize before you sync to your S3 bucket. In our demo, we are running resize and S3 sync at the same time. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. For Magento migrations, resize can take several hours, and will depend on the size of your image catalog. All modules have a command help menu. Should you encounter post-sync issues, you can sync individual files and folders. Tip: to reduce sync time, you can temporarily increase your EC2 instance size. After sync, we will verify the main site. Make sure the image URLs should be pointing to the S3 path. In our demo, we optionally ran Ramjet. However, you will want to do that step last. As this was a test store, we could have enabled static sync earlier. However, we wanted to run it post-image sync for this demo. The final testing will show the cumulative effects of S3R Alpha, Ramjet, and Starflare. Load times are near instant, and processing is as fast as you can click. Not bad for a non-optimized Luma theme.